Hello students, this is my video about the topic multiplier. This is the continuing topic from the chapter ADAS. So multiplier, what do we understand by multiplier? As earlier also we have gone through the topic like investment and change in investment and in change in income. So this is the change in investment, that is multiplier, credit investment multiplier or credit multiplier. So here what we need to understand is that whatever change in money is occurring in the economy, accordance to that, what is the change in the saving or investment in an economy. तो मल्टीप्लायर या मल्टीप्लाई वर्ड का ही हम लोग मतलब समझते हैं टू इंक्रीज समथिंग, टू एक्सपैंड समथिंग, टू इंक्रीज समथिंग. तो यहाँ जो मल्टीप्लायर है हमारा, ये कीन्स द्वारा लाया गया था और कीन्स का ऐसा मानना था कि कंट्री का अगर इनकम इंक्रीज होता है तो वेरी नेचुरल उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट भी इंक्रीज होता है. So here you can see that Keynes tells us that whenever investment is increased in a country, income does not increase only to the extent of increase in investment, but many times over the increase in the investment. तो जैसे जैसे आपका इनकम बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट भी बढ़ता है, लेकिन ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जितना आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ा है उतना ही आपका इनकम बढ़ा है. कभी कभी आपका जो इनकम है वो उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बढ़ सकता है. So this is the basic formula to calculate multiplier. Here you can see that investment multiplier refers to the ratio of change in the equilibrium income to change in investment. So the formula for calculating K is change in income, that is delta Y, divided by change in investment, that is delta I. And investment multiplier can also be calculated by another formula, that is 1 by 1 minus MPC and 1 by MPS. Now what is the logic of this MPC and MPS, that we will be going to know from this particular slide. See here, the value of multiplier is determined by the marginal propensity to consume. So if we want to get the exact or correct value of investment multiplier or the value of multiplier, we must come along with this formula, with this equations. So first one is K is equal to delta Y by delta I, or alternatively we can write that K into delta I is equal to delta Y, or delta I can be alternatively written like delta Y by K. This is our equation number 1. So we also know that Y is equal to C plus I. So if delta I is equal to delta Y divided by delta K, so if Y is equal to C plus Y, then delta Y will be delta Y is equal to delta C plus delta I. Or we can write that delta Y minus delta C is equal to delta I. So here you can see that we have got two equations. First equation is delta I is equal to delta Y divided by K, and the second equation is delta I is equal to delta Y minus delta C. So on putting the value of delta I in equation 1, what we will get, that you see delta Y divided by K, this is the equation 1, is equal to delta Y minus delta C. This is the equation number 2. So come here and just see, on dividing the above equation, that is delta Y by K into 1 by delta Y is equal to delta Y by delta Y minus delta C by delta Y. So delta C by delta Y is the formula for MPC. Or in order to make this thing more precise and clear, you can watch this particular slide, that here it is written Y is equal to C plus I. So multiplying Y, that is delta C plus delta I, which I have already shown you in this particular slide. Now delta Y by Y is equal to delta C by Y. We are here we are dividing both the equation by this delta Y, that is change in income. So delta Y by delta Y is equal to delta C by delta Y plus delta I by delta Y. So what we can see that अगर हम लोग डेल्टा वाई से डेल्टा वाई को अगर हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा एज अ होल फिगर 1 आ जाता है, और इस साइड में इक्वल टू के साइड में हमारा डेल्टा सी बाई डेल्टा वाई रह जाता है और साथ ही में हमारा डेल्टा सी बाई डेल्टा वाई रह जाता है। अगर हम लोग अब इसको ऑल्टरनेटिव करने का प्रयास करें, यानी अगर हम लोग थोड़ा सा इसको रीअरेंज करें, रीअरेंजिंग दिस, यू कैन सी दैट रीअरेंजिंग this equation 4, we get delta I by delta y, it is already here, is equal to 1 minus delta c by delta y. ओके, और रेसिप्रोकेटली वी कैन से दैट अगर हम लोग इसको रिवर्स करते हैं, इस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन को रेसिप्रोकेट करते हैं, रिवर्स करते हैं, तो हमको जो k का ओरिजिनल मल्टीप्लायर का जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला है दैट इज डेल्टा y बाई डेल्टा i मिल जाता है। साथ ही साथ ये चीज जो है वो भी रिवर्स हो जाता है, दैट इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 माइनस डेल्टा सी बाई डेल्टा y। तो 1 माइनस डेल्टा सी बाई डेल्टा y इज इक्वल टू MPC। So we got the formula, the alternative formula, that is k is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Since MPC plus MPS is equal to 1, we obtain 1 minus 1 divided 1 by MPC can also alternatively written as 1 divided by MPS, which you can get, which you have already seen here. Either this we can write or this we can write. So this is the basic formula to calculate the investment multiplier as well as the change in equilibrium level of income. There is one example I would like to discuss with you all. एक example है, आपसे discuss करना चाहेंगे. Here you can see that C is equal to 200 plus 0.75y. What is this 0.75? 0.75 is your MPC. So and your I is equal to 100. So what is the equilibrium income level when there is an increase in investment by 50 million? Here what you have, what are the basic information we are having? Here we are having the information of consumption function, MPC, I and delta I. So you can see that delta Y is equal to K into delta I, which I have shown you here. Delta y by delta I, alternatively k into delta I is equal to y. The same thing is here we are doing k into delta I. So 1 and k can alternatively written as here we are having MPC and k we are not having, we need to calculate k. That is why we are writing the alternative formula, that is 1 divided by 1 minus MPC into delta I. So 1 divided by 1 minus MPC will be your MPS, that is 0.25. 1 divided by 0.25. If you will divide the that particular number, you will get 4. So when you will multiply 4 with 50, you will be getting delta Y, that is 200 million. This is your change in income. So new equilibrium level will be income plus change in income. So what was your income? As here you can see that your consumption is 200, that is your 7, if 750 will be your MPC, then savings will be 250. So as a whole, if you are taking one as a whole for MPC plus MPS, here you can see that I have shown you here in this particular slide that MPC plus MPS is equal to 1 we obtain. So coming to this question, if we will add MPC plus MPS, your MPC is 0.75 and your MPS is 0.25. That is, if you remove this decimal, your answer will be 750 plus 250. That is 1000. That is your income level is 1000 plus investment, that is 100. It will become 1100. So here you can see that your income is 1100. Why? Because y is equal to C plus I. Y is equal to C plus I. So what is the matter is ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि y is equal to C plus I होता है, इस वजह से अगर हम लोग इस पर्टिकुलर डेसिमल को हटा करके इसको राउंड अप करते हैं तो ये हमारा 750 प्लस 250 इज इक्वल टू 1000 होता है, और 1000 के साथ हमारा आई है 100, तो ये हो गया हमारा 1100। और क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं कि डेल्टा वाई इज इक्वल टू 200 मिलियन, So we will add this 200 million and we will get the new equilibrium level of income, that is 1300 million. Hope you have understood this concept of multiplier. If you are viewing my channel, if you are watching my video, so please do watch, like and share my videos and subscribe my channels to be updated. So thanks for watching.